Hello everyone, I am Dr. Murali Manohar, Chirumamilla. In this video, I am going to talk about an important topic. So please watch it till the end.
Health benefits of salt. Throughout the world, in all kitchens, irrespective of all the flavors and spices added, any food recipe remains tasteless without the addition of salt. Therefore, salt is considered the king of cooking. Interesting facts. Ayurveda describes 8 types of salt, which is also known as lavan in Sanskrit. Out of these, the 3 are used in daily cooking and medicines. Even if all these have a similar taste, they consist of different qualities. Rock salt, even though tastes similar to the common salt, consists of different medicinal qualities and is much milder than common salt. Therefore, it is known as the best salt amongst all the 8 types in Ayurveda. This is because, even if salty, it has curative properties for many diseases such as heart disease and worm infestation, beneficial to the eyes, and pacifier of all the vitiated doshas in the body, and is amongst the recommended food recipes during fast. Qualities and action. The salt, which is used in daily cooking, is sea salt. It is a mild appetizer, strengthening agent, and flavoring agent. It also subdues the vitiated vata, and kapha dosha helps in indigestion and worms. It is useful as a remedy for children as well as adults. Medical uses. Sore throat and cough. For various upper respiratory complaints such as sore throat, cough and cold, especially in children, gargling with hot water along with salt added to it is advised. Tonsillitis. For recurrent tonsillitis and tonsillar enlargement, causing fever and debility in children, a paste of a pinch of salt, turmeric and limestone should be applied to the tonsils. This should be employed for 1 to 2 months, however, it should not be applied in case of acute fever. Cough. For an acute attack of dry, irritating cough especially at night, which generally disturbs sleep, a crystal of salt should be kept in the mouth. This immediately ends the cough. Gum infection. Periodontitis and purulent gingivitis is one of the debilitating diseases of teeth. In these diseases, there is always a danger of pus forming in the teeth and gums and reaching the stomach along with saliva. In these diseases, teeth should be brushed with a stick of babul tree dipped in salt. Also, a mixture of mustard oil and salt should be applied to the gums and teeth to strengthen them. Fever. The most important use of salt is to give tepid sponging in high fever with salt water. It is considered the primary aid for all cases of fever. Poisoning. Hot salt water is also used in very large quantities to induce vomiting in all the patients of poisoning as a first aid to prevent the absorption of poisons such as organophosphates and other life-threatening poisons. The color and smell of the vomitus are the same as that of the ingested poison. Vomiting should be induced till the time when expelled vomitus becomes devoid of poison, i.e., till the time when all the poison is thrown out through vomiting. Asthma. Ayurveda advises cleansing treatment in the form of induced vomiting in cases of hyperacidity and asthma. For this also salt water or decoction of licorice is used to induce vomiting. Wounds. Salt also acts as a germicide. Therefore, a bandage soaked in salt water should be applied on badly infected purulent wounds to enhance the healing. Muscle pain. For severe muscular pain due to injury or accidents, A paste of turmeric and salt should be applied to the affected area. This helps to relieve pain and swelling. Intestinal gas. For gaseous distension and stomachache, the mixture of salt and ajovan seeds should be taken at the dose of 2 grams. Sinusitis. For severe headaches due to sinusitis, migraine, and the common cold, powder of salt and ajovan should be heated and fermentation should be employed with this hot mixture on the affected area. This is a very effective remedy to stop headaches immediately. Caution. Even though salt has so many medicinal utilities, it can cause many diseases if taken in excess. If used in excess, it can cause physical weakness, enhance the aging process, skin diseases, arthritic conditions, burning micturition, etc. Persons suffering from recurrent urticaria, high blood pressure, and skin disorders should avoid salt as much as possible. For these diseases, even a salt-free diet is recommended. However, rock salt can be used in place of regular salt for such patients. Thus, it is clear that even though salt is one of the most essential ingredients for normal body metabolism and also a vital flavoring agent in cooking, it should be used with caution. Persons who consume a lot of salt in food recipes like fried chips, pickles, salads, etc., are prone to various diseases, and they should use it carefully.
Well, I hope that this video has enlightened you. In the upcoming videos, I will share more interesting, authentic, and useful information on health and wellness. Till then, Jai Hind and Jai Bharat. Shatam Jiva, Sharado Vardhamanaha. Shatam Hemantan, Shatam Vasantan. Stay healthy, stay happy, be positive, keep smiling, and stay safe. Love you all. Subham.
Dr. Chirumamilla Murali Manohar, MD, Ayurveda. Raksha Ayurvedalaya, plot number 13, Ramurthy Nagar, CBCID Colony, Hyder Nagar, Hyderabad, 5,85,000. Telangana State, India. Landmark, Kukatpalli area, Metro Train pillar number A663. Email, muralimanohar2008@gmail.com. Website address www.muralimanohar.com. Phone numbers 9246575510, 9177445454.